I got some parts here that I'm gonna put on. We've got these long building details, which are pretty cool, but what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna put this together, and that's how that's gonna go. It's like that. So then I'm gonna take, which sticker is it? I'm looking for the one with the bugle. I just saw it. Oh, come on. There it is. Right in front of me. Alright, I'm going to take this sticker. I'm going to place it like so with this bottom piece that's going to go on there. I'm going to take this and I'll put this like this. And this is going to go where? This is going to go right. Yeah, like that. Okay. And then, aha. Alright, so this is going to go right like that. This is going to go like that. That's going to go like that. And this one is going to go like that. Alright, so we got those together. And then the really cool thing is these are going to go alongside the outside of the building here. They are going to connect that. There's one there already, which I showed you earlier. In an earlier video, I created these things that don't want to go on there, right? No, that's not right. Let's do a down one. Yep, just like that. Okay, this is going to go here. This is going to go here. That. This is going to go here. Like that. This is going to go here. Just trying to do this as quickly as possible so I can show it to you, because I think it's a really cool thing that they're doing with this particular feature. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to tighten these up a little bit. That. That. This is going to go here. Like this. I'm going to spin this around because I have the back side of the building. Put that over there. That's going to go there. That. This one's going to go here. That. That one's going to go there. That. Oop. This one's going to go here, and I've got one more to actually put on there. And that will finish. Make sure that's straight. There we go. And then this is going to go here. So, on the corners, they have these, and then on each of the sides of the building, they have these. Oh, I gotta tighten that up. Pressing. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna happen. Okay, no worries. I'm gonna fix that. In the shouldn't have pushed there. That's okay, because so what you do is you take it and put it all backwards, and there you go, because I don't care about this bottom part popping out. I don't know why it is, but it is. And just like that. Alright, that's pretty cool. I'm going to put this back in here. Should fit. This, and then like this one's a little bit harder because it's a tight fit. Doggone it. Just like that. Yep, it's gonna fight me. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.